Hey YouTubers, this is Eva. Here's how I just made my own DIY face mask using linen and wool. I used 3 layers. I cut the cloth 8 inches by 8 inches. I sewed all the sides together and the elastic on each side is 7 inches. I took apart a surgical mask to look at the construction. I used linen and wool, but you can use other textiles. You just want to be sure that you can breathe through the layers and whatever material you use. The materials I chose were all fairly thin. I sewed by hand both the pleats on the sides and also the elastic. It's a pretty loose fit at 7 inches for the elastic, so if you have a smaller face or if you want a tighter fit, you might want to use 6 inches of elastic on each side. Of course, as a DIY project and also because it's made of cloth, I make no claims that this will be as effective as an N95 mask. But some studies have shown that cloth masks do block 50% up to 70% of transmissions. Those tests were done on different textiles, and this mask has undergone no tests. So again, I make no claims in any way that this mask will block viral or bacterial transmissions. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.
Should have stopped to think, I should have made the time. I could have had that drink, I could have talked a while.